and again. Doing I just can't be true, and I know that he knows I'm unfaithful, and it kills him inside to know that I am happy with some other guy. I could sit and dying. I don't wanna do this anymore. I don't wanna be the reason why. Every time I walk out the door, I see him die a little more inside. I don't wanna hurt him anymore. I don't wanna take away his life. I don't wanna be a murderer. A murderer. Feel it in the air, the thunder in my hair, preparing for another day. A kiss upon my cheek.